I no longer use corrosive and chemical drain cleaners. This natural alternative is cost-effective and safe. It clears the pipes and eliminates unpleasant odors. Is your shower drain not draining water properly? It's often due to the accumulation of soap scum, hair, and detergent residues clogging the pipes. This simple recipe for a drain snake will solve this problem in just 5 minutes. Pour 4 tablespoons of baking soda into the drain, and then pour vinegar over it. These substances will react, creating a foam that will flow down the pipes. Baking soda has cleaning and disinfecting properties. The foaming action will fill the pipes and push out trapped hair and grime. Vinegar removes mineral buildup, unpleasant smells, and, thanks to its acidic nature, effectively tackles dirt. Just rinse everything with water, and you're done. The drain will be clean and fresh-smelling. You can apply the same trick to your kitchen sink. Greasy food residues often accumulate in its pipes, leading to unpleasant odors. Baking soda and vinegar will effectively unclog and clean the inner parts. Your sink will be unobstructed and fragrant. There will be no need for using chemical products.